South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal had been appointed to conduct an inquiry into the Panjim market shop allotment scam. The officials of the Corporation of the City of Panjim had issued notices to shopkeepers and asked them to produce documents substantiating their ownership rights. Agarwal had asked for an extension to submit his report as he could not complete the inquiry by the deadline given. He has now assured to submit the long-pending report on Tuesday. If Agarwal fails to submit the said report, the corporation will hold a special meeting to discuss the same, said Mayor of Panjim Surinder Furtado.
We had our ordinary corporation meeting. In that minutes of the ordinary meeting dated 24/5/2013 for confirmation was confirmed. Then minutes of the standing committee meeting dated 15/3/2013 and 6/5/2013 were also confirmed with little bit changes, one or two changes here and there. Approval of land acquisition amount for extension of crematorium at Santines by judgment and award dated 26/2007 was confirmed. Beautification of gardens, playgrounds and illuminations of public street, footpaths, roads in ward number 1, 2, 3, 4, 17 and 30 to be executed by G. Suda, PWD or GSRTC has also been confirmed. Thank you very much.
What about the pay parking issue?
You know that pay parking issue is lying on the table of the Collector, North Goa, Mr. Nirvardhan. He, I am given to understand, is on leave. I have spoken to his other, who's holding the additional charge, and I told him to please look into the matter. We have already given the plans of 18 June Road and Panjim Church Square. The moment the Collector, North Goa, notifies the same, we will advertise in the newspapers and to e-governance, e-tendering, and then the ball will start rolling.
Even after opposition goes on this, you will move ahead?
Opposition have to oppose because they have to oppose. They were ruling in the past. They did nothing, let me do some work.
What about the report?
What will be the rates?
The rates will be whatever the EDC is charging at that rate only, I think we should charge. That's what the commissioners said at the meeting.
What about the market report?
Market report, Mr. N.D. Agarwal spoke to me today at 9:30 in the morning because he came to know that I was supposed to take 500 people to South Goa in his office to Garao with my corporators and supporters. He got a wind of it. 9:30 he came in and said, Furtado ji, I will give you by Tuesday. Don't do it.
A special meeting will be called.
Once I get the report, we'll call for a special meeting. If things are bad, I will ask for an opinion from a sitting High Court judge.
But when will the special meeting held?
I said next week, I mean second week of July.
And about this, the instructions, would you give the instructions to the commissioner on sealing of these casino offices?
I will send a note to commissioner since you know that 29 corporators are in favor of not having casinos in Panjim city. All what I can do is only close down their offices because they are in our jurisdiction. So I will send a note. Now whether the commissioner will seal it or not, we'll see, because it will be like Panjim jetty.
But is Mayor serious on this issue to close down the casino offices?
I have said there in the open forum, no, at the meeting.
Oh, that's right.
See, everybody wants discipline in the Panjim city. There are accidents taking place. People are just parking the two-wheelers and four-wheelers haphazardly of all the casinos and the tourists who are coming. If the casinos are interested, as Patricia Pinto had said, you pick up your staff like the other companies do. Go to the house and pick up and drop them so that it will be decongested. We are not against anybody's business. We are only trying to safeguard the interests of the Panjimites. Because of Panjimites, we are here sitting on this chair and ruling. So whatever benefits the Panjimites want, we should give them. Otherwise next time they will not vote for us. We can't take them for a ride always. Now it is for the government to decide whether they want to have casinos of 6 stories or 10 stories. I am not the chief minister, I am not a government. I am a small mayor.